upon the water, painting silver on the blue. Tiny ripples on the shoreline move like memories of you. Quiet coffee in the kitchen, soft steam rising in the air. All the little gentle moments tell me somehow you are there. I was running through the hours, always racing with the day, but your voice was like an ocean, slowing every thought I chased. Now I'm sitting by the window, letting all the noise depart, listening to how you echo in the gentle waves of my heart. Gentle waves of my heart, rolling in when days are hard, washing over every scar. Soft and slow they heal the dark. Carry me when I fall apart, back to where the calm begins, like the tide that never ends. Gentle waves of my heart. Afternoon is turning amber, shadows leaning down the street. I can hear the world grow quieter with the rhythm of my feet. Every step is like a footstep on a shoreline in my mind, where your laughter meets the water and it softens passing time. All the doubts I used to carry fade like footprints in the sand. Every fear that used to haunt me melts when I can hold your hand. Even when you're far away now, you're a light in every dark, calling out across the distance in the gentle waves of my heart. Gentle waves of my heart, rolling in when days are hard, washing over every scar. Soft and slow they heal the dark. Carry me when I fall apart, back to where the calm begins, like the tide that never ends. Gentle waves of my heart, let the storm clouds break and fade, let the noise all drift away in the hush that's left behind. can hear your voice in mine when the night feels far too long, and I'm searching for a song. You're the current pulling me back to who I'm meant to be. So when the world feels heavy and I don't know where to start, I just close my eyes and listen to the gentle waves of my heart. Gentle waves of my heart, rolling in when days are hard, washing over every scar. Soft and slow they heal the dark. Carry me when I fall apart, back to where the calm begins, like the tide that never ends. Gentle waves of my heart, fade me out with ocean light. Hold me through the quiet night. When the dawn begins to start, I'll still feel your gentle waves flowing through my heart.